Hello and welcome back to one of our mini training sessions on Workbooks CRM. And in this one, we're going to cover custom tabs, another time-saving and productivity benefit by using Workbooks CRM. So hello, my name is Tim Wilmot, joined by my colleague Stuart Lawrence-Hine, and our company, Wizard Systems. We're a leading independent CRM solutions provider of systems like Workbooks, helping out small and mid-sized companies improve their sales, marketing, and customer support productivity. So thanks for joining us today, those of you on here live, for our little mini training session focusing on tabs. Not meant to be an in-depth session on this feature, just really exploring it and just giving you a little bit more information on how easy it is and the benefits of it. Now, the audio part of this presentation is one way only. If you've got any questions around this, or indeed anything Workbooks related, please pop that into the question box on your meeting control panel, and we'll do our best to answer that at the end. Quick mention about Wizard Systems. As I say, we're a leading independent CRM solutions provider, providing a number of very different CRM solutions. We've got a lot of experience in providing these solutions, and we provide the total service around Workbooks implementation, provisioning the product, any kind of training, and the help desk support as well. Okay, so let me now hand over to my colleague Stuart. Just while Stuart's getting ready, just like to home in on some of the benefits of using these custom tabs. Well, first of all, it's going to allow you to show related data in the context of record. Having a data view tab lets you display tables of related or reference data right on that form. For example, showing all cases relating to a contact. Provides quick access as well, rather than running separate searches or lookups. Related data is right there where you want it on that form for faster sort of workflow. And enables editing depending on your permissions. Users may be able to edit the related data shown in that data view tab. It's easy to configure, that we'll touch on, really easy for you to set up. It can improve data quality as well by showing the data visible, as I say, in that context. Make it easy for users to make connections and identify gaps and keep information up to date. And finally, from a productivity point of view, it's going to minimize that switching.
Thank you, Tim. So on screen, I'm in my Workbooks training database, and I've got a nice, simple, but powerful dashboard. It's holding a lot of data, telling me all about the organization sales. And just like any other dashboard, I can drill into it. I'm going to have a look at this one here, and this tells me there's a sale for 7,000, and as you can see, it matches nicely, and it's for a company called Equifax. And I could keep doing that, and this dashboard would start to relate all the information. But you'll notice it took a bit of looking at. So we wondered if there was an easier way of doing this. And there is. If I go to that record, Equifax, I click along, we've got a tab, the same name as the dashboard. And if I click that, it returns the same information on the dashboard, but only for Equifax handling. So everybody else has been filtered out, and it's nice and easy. And this is all controlled by a feature in Workbooks called a constraint. So here's how we did it. Like a lot of things in Workbooks, we go to configuration. We're going to customize the settings, and it's a record type because we're going to change the organizations. So I click on organizations. Now, if you've been here before and had a look at fields and record types and layouts, you may be forgiven for thinking that we're going to add a tab using the form layout. However, this is where Workbooks gets clever. And it's a field we're going to add. And the field is a dashboard. So if I go and show you the one that's running, that's running that organization sales one. I'll open it so it's easier to see. you can see that the field name is actually the the name of the tab. The data type is a dashboard because that's the type of field we created. There's the dashboard itself, organization sales, again, matching that dashboard at the top. And the view is just the default view, just the standard dashboard view, nothing clever. The clever bit is this bit here, the constraint. And we've told this dashboard to display itself on an organization record where the ID on the dashboard matches the ID of the record. Now, you don't have to know what the IDs are. The dashboard and the field will work that out for you. But the clever part is it means that when you open the record, the dashboard knows to only show that matching organization. So organization, so see there, it's called a dashboard view tab. And as I said, if I go to any record, for instance, Atlantic, the software knows, and I'll use the shortcuts to get there this time. At a glance, same tab, so I could spend ages drilling through this, or I can just go straight to the record. And that's how to create a custom tab built on a dashboard.
Okay, thanks very much, Stuart. So, as you can see, very easy to do. But if you need any help around this feature, or indeed anything Workbooks related, then please contact any of us at Wizard Systems. So if you've got any questions around this feature, custom tab, pop that into the question box on the meeting control panel, and we'll do our best to answer those, myself and Stuart. So first question, how can I display products I've sold to a customer? That's from Marianne. Or Marianne. Yeah, how can you display, so we're recording products that we sold to a client, how can we display that on a custom tab?
You could go the same way. You have a choice. You could build your dashboard based on products or based on product sales. And once again, it's that constraint feature that means that when you open the dashboard on the record, it's only going to show you those products that relate to that organization ID. So yeah, dashboards are the cleanest way in Workbooks to do this.
Okay, question from Rashid. Can you click into the dashboard?
Oh yes, I could have shown that. Yes, even though it's on a tab, and it's not, you could say it's not a real dashboard, the dashboard is clickable. You can click into them, and as Workbooks call them, you can drill into that dashboard to go into the opportunity that helped create it.
Okay, and I think the final question is from Jeff. Is there any limit on the number of tabs you can have? I'm not sure that's custom tabs or general tabs, but yeah.
No, there are built-in limits on the size of, if we pick organization, there are built-in limits on the default size of the organization window when it opens. But all that would happen is if you have lots and lots of custom tabs, the tabs across the top would just be smaller and smaller, so that you can have more of them on screen at the same time, but no limit as far as I'm aware.
Yeah, I guess it might make the interface just a little bit too difficult if you've got too much going on there, too many tabs at one time. But yeah, hopefully that answers your question, Jeff. All right, well, thanks very much for those questions. So latest news for you, keep an eye on the Workbooks bulletins and the mailings that we send out, and our blog on our website for latest information. Of course, we're on 7.1 right now. Do you need any training on Workbooks? Please contact us if you need any extra coaching or training on Workbooks. You've got new starters or you want to get to a new level of productivity with Workbooks, please contact us. So that's it, us done on custom tabs. I hope you enjoyed that, and this will be up on our YouTube channel as well. Go up to our YouTube channel for more information. Just do a search for Wizard Systems on YouTube. You'll see loads and loads of other videos up there. But we'll catch up with you on the next event. If you've got any ideas for future topics for Workbooks, any burning issues or ideas that you think might be of interest to other Workbooks users, then please contact Stuart or myself. So we'll contact you if you've got any information like that, get a bit more background detail. But thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch up with you on the next event. Bye-bye.